Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have your hot cup of coffee in your hand because this is going to be a beautiful review of this super bright LED flashlight. I'm out here in the country in Colorado. I definitely need high-end, high-powered flashlights. I'm on 10 acres. Sometimes my dog starts barking at random stuff, like really far out in the back of the house, and I'm like, what in the world's going on? Well, we're going to test this out. This is max 15,000 lumens, USB rechargeable. It has 5 light modes and zoomable, and it's IPX6 waterproof rated. Let's go ahead and pull it all out and see what we have inside. We have a little small user manual here. We have our battery pack, which is 26650 battery cells, 10,000 milliamp at 3.7 volt lithium ion, and protective bubble wrap here. We have a little small USB to USB Type-C. Very good. I'm glad to see companies are going to USB Type-C because I'm a Samsung user and all my phones are charging with USB Type-C now. So, number one, very nice feel to it. Feels like a very nice tactical flashlight. No cheap plastics. This is all metal. That is aluminum alloy. Again, you have 5 different modes. You have high, medium, low. You have flashing and SOS. It weighs 360 grams. And in the top link in the description box below of this video will be this exact same flashlight where you guys can read more about it and pick one up yourself after the video is done. Again, very large LED light cell down there with our lens, as we can see. And here is our zoom feature where you pull out the top here. Nice wrist strap as well. We do need to fully charge it before we do give it a go for the first time. Unscrewing the back here and then inserting it in with our negative side on the bottom. Pressing that in, tighten that back up. You have LED indicator lights right here. Let me just show you here. We will of course be charging it before we do use it for a long duration, but just want to show you here. It is flashing right now. And here's SOS and high, medium, low right there. And then 1-2 seconds and it turns off right there. On the back portion of the LED indicator light right here, you have your USB port right here for charging. And the LED indicator lights right here are your battery level indication. So right now we're actually only lit up on 1. So we're at 25%. 2 would be 50%, 3, 75, and 4 lights lit up would be 100% charged. Okay, folks, the moment we've all been waiting for. Battery is fully charged. Let's go outside, see what we got. Okay, right now we have the back porch light on, so you're seeing a little bit of ambient light right through here. We're gonna go ahead and cut that in just a second here, but I wanna show it to you right now. Very cool. Okay, so my shop is, that's a good 100+ feet away. My shop is right here. We have the clothes hanger line, the weather Turner satellite. We have the trees over here with some Christmas lights on that Douglas fir. Another building that we're going to do a tear down on that one, but you can see it really nicely. This again is the high setting here. Let's click it over to the medium. Goes down a little bit as we notice the building in the background. Clicking it down to low fades a little bit more in the back here. And then flashing right here. And then we have SOS right here. And it looks like it's in the high setting. And then one more and it's off. Let's not forget the zoom in feature here. So zooms in just like that's really cool. So you could put it like a very, it just kind of zooms in the little square. As we can see, a nice beam here. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look here at the tree, the other building over here, and look at that, huh? That is a high-powered flashlight. Look at my tractor shed way down there with the zoom-in feature. And then again, pull it back to a nice big circle or zoom it in like that on the high setting. And it gets a little bit more dialed in with that circle, or of course bring it all the way back. This is absolutely fantastic. Like I mentioned, if my pup's way out there barking at some cat, I can zoom in and see exactly what's going on. Just out of curiosity, let's go ahead and see what we have way down there. I don't think we're going to be able to see it, but I do have a stack of trees really far down there, and the camera's not really picking it up. But flashlight is doing an excellent job. Let's get one more shot coming out my front here, looking up into the aspen trees all the way out front. If you hear something going on way out there in the field, all the way over there. Look at that. All the way over by my shop, my riding lawnmower, seeing what's going on. Okay, I think a car's coming. Don't want to blind them. Very powerful and nice. Well, folks, the flashlight did an amazing job, not to mention you could leave that in your car for safety as well. I mean, that's a big flashlight. God forbid you were in trouble, whap somebody over the head with that one. Again, only if you're in trouble, please. Well, once again, in the description box right below the video, top link will be this link for this flashlight where you guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, tech related, DIY, van life builds, DIY home renovation videos, and more. Again, your link, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next one. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.